Hello, my name is Lawrence Okorafo. I am Nigerian by birth and a British citizen by naturalization. I'm a research scientist at a chemicals company called Croda Europe in the UK. I've got over 10 years experience in biotechnology research, having graduated with a BSc in microbiology from Nigeria and an MSc in industrial and commercial biotechnology at Newcastle University in the UK. My business idea. Um, my business idea is to set up a biotechnology company in Nigeria. I've just decided to call this GarDNA Biotech, and we were primarily utilizing microalgae and to some extent bacteria to do fermentation in order to produce high value feeds for livestock and for fisheries, as well as functional foods and nutritional supplements. And these would include things like omega 3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and high density non animal proteins. The idea is to use brewery waste, um, and where that is not entirely possible, to use seawater that has been um, enriched with nutrients. Now, what are my goals and motivations? The first thing I want to do is to tackle malnutrition, unemployment, and poverty. And in this, I hope to create at least 20 jobs per site where this project is going to be sited. I'm looking to reduce Nigerians' dependence on oil by helping to create a bioeconomy through this refinery process. I'm looking to reduce CO2 emissions and nitrate pollutants from brewery effluents, and in that process helping the environment by cleaning up the air as well as the water sources that is going back into the environment from the breweries. I'm hoping to contribute my overseas experience to help Nigeria and Africa's development. I would like to promote technology and knowledge transfer in Africa. Um, I'd like to build up an, a portfolio of intellectual property, and by this, secure marketing rights for our technology. I'd like to encourage research and development as well as commercialization of science in Nigeria and Africa as a whole. Um, and through this process, helping to reverse the problem of brain drain, which has been besetting Africa. Um, Last but not the least, I like to be seen as an entrepreneur and an employer of people. I'm going to explain my business idea in the next slide. The company, as mentioned, is GarDNA Biotech. We are looking forward to use CO2 emissions from breweries in combination with sunlight as well as waste water from the local brewery, and through the process of photosynthesis and the fermentation that follows thereon, um, be able to perform this algal fermentation of using different strains of algae. And in the process, we have products, and also um, in that process generate some clean air and some clean water that goes back into the environment. So it's a win-win situation both for us and for the breweries as well. Some of our I'm categorically looking at making three products, although there's a lot more that can be generated from this technology. And the first product is supplements. nutritional supplements that would um, help human health, and these would include omega-3 and carotenoids. And the omega-3 is very important for brain health and cognitive health, while the carotenoids are antioxidants, which help to tackle things um, like macular degeneration and lots of other health associated diseases anyway. And the price that the omega-3 is fetching in the market at the moment is between 55 and $100 per kilogram, although I've seen estimates for higher figures of about 85 to $180 per kilo. And carotenoids, depending on the type of carotenoid produced, is between 100 and 200, sorry, $2,800 per kilo. One of the carotenoids which is used in fisheries, astaxanthin, fetches as much as 2,800 or even up to $4,000 per kilogram anyway. The next product is our algae meal, and that is for an average of $1 per kilogram. This is what we are hoping to use as human food and also animal and fish feed. So by incorporating this into various food products, both for humans and into animal feeds, we are hoping to make richer feeds that is highly nutritious, highly proteinaceous, and which would help to tackle malnutrition, particularly in humans and as well as in animals. And the final product is algal oils, um, some of which can be used as biofuels. And this commands about $80 per liter in the market. They can be applied um, in various processes like in soaps and cosmetics and creams, and even for energy generation. But we are trying to um, focus more on the cosmetic application for this project. And in the future, we are hoping that if we are successful with these three products, we should be able to make a lot more other potential products. And these include enzymes, biofertilizers, sustainable palm oil, biopesticides, biolubricants, and there's a lot more. I hope that this presentation has been able to give us an overview of um, my idea, and that this would be acceptable for the African Entrepreneurship Award. Thank you.